first light, Chief. Stars come cruising. Sharks in the water.
Money world. Money world. Money world.
So we're waiting for some wood glue to dry so I can paint one final piece. And the interior is done. It just needs swept out. All this has been rhino lined. Well, this is it for now. Need to do the electrical. I need some maintenance. There's a gas leak and the battery's dead, and I lost the fucking keys as soon as I got here today. Also, I have to buy all the power components now to run this big battery, and all the wiring diagrams I found online all run solar. We don't need solar for this because we're not living in it. It's just an office. So if you happen to know what I need as far as an inverter and what else do I need? A charger, needs like a DC to DC charger, needs fuse blocks, a bunch of random shit. If you happen to know what I need, or you have access to a wiring diagram that is run without solar just to charge off the alternator, please link me. I need some help. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the next stage of my nightmare. Interior's done! Celebration! So we got it towed all the way over here. And now Bruce won't start again. So I guess I need a new battery. I'm tired. I'm done. I'm going back to New York as soon as we're done here. Try to start. There it goes! I think it's shut off. It did this last time, it kept cutting off. So we'll get the brakes checked. Thank y'all for tuning in. We're gonna park this thing and come back next week and try to figure out where the gas is coming from. For those of you that, what the fuck was my outro? I haven't had to do an outro in so long, I forgot how to do it. If you like to watch me get in way over my head with construction projects when I have absolutely no experience whatsoever, Be sure to tap the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified on projects that I think are a great fucking idea at the time. But make sure to thank this gentleman and give him all your tow business. See y'all next week.